Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for June 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services extended hanggang May 31, 2024. So kung gusto nyong mag-book, link is on the description at sa pinned comment. Ayan. So let's see Pisces, what's up? Ano yung energies coming to you ngayong June 2024 for Pisces. June 2024. Okay. For Pisces. Bottom of the deck, the Hanged Man. So, this is your energy. May pinagmumuni-munihan kayo. Oo. Reassessing your situation. Seeing things in a different perspective. So, maaring meron kang gustong gawin or pagbabago na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. But, you are not yet ready to take action, kumbaga, no? So you are still reassessing na kaya ko ba yun? Open ba ako sa ganitong sitwasyon? Am I willing to make some sacrifices? Handa ba ako na magsakripisyo para sa taong to? Handa ako bang hintayin itong bagay na to para makapagpatuloy? So, some of you, parang yung iba nasa crossroads. You're not sure which path to take. Are you going left, going right, moving forward? So, there's a lot of realization. Okay? Yung iba naman, pwedeng procrastination din yan na may mga bagay na ipagpapaliban ka kasi hindi ka pa ready. Oo. So, okay lang naman yun kung hindi ka pa ready. Yun nga lang, time is fleeting, no? Mabilis ang takbo ng oras. So, may mga pagkakataon kasi na mas magandang mag-take tayo ng action para at least nakikita na natin yung resulta. Although, may mga pagkakataon rin na dapat maging careful tayo. So, just take what resonates. Your overall energy is the Page of Swords. So, maaring meron kang mga pag-aaralan ngayong June. Something that you are very curious about. You want to know more. Pwedeng nagre-research ka. I think part to ng mga decision making na gagawin mo. Kaya, maingat ka. Gusto mong maging sigurado. And then, your challenge is the Fool. So, ito yung maaring very, very similar siya sa energy ng The Hanged Man as your challenge, no? Kasi, sabihin yan, parang nag-aalinlangan ka na sumubok, no? Magsimula. To take a risk. This can mean sa relationship. Natatakot kang pumasok sa relationship because you're not sure kung itong tao ba na to ay mapagkakatiwalaan. Or sa susubukan mong business, you're not sure kung magiging successful ba to. Or even sa paglipat ng trabaho, hindi ka sigurado kung mas magiging maayos yung kalagayan mo sa bagong work kung aalis ka sa situation mo ngayon. So, lahat naman kasi, not actually lahat, but there are times na kailangan nating sumugal, no? Pag sinabing sugal, pwedeng hindi naman yung literal na sugal, but, susugal ka sa isang sitwasyon, sa isang relasyon, sa isang bagay, sa isang trabaho or career, because you'll never know kung dun ka talaga magiging successful. Okay? Your opportunity is the King of Swords. So, maaring merong person na who's going to be very helpful sa'yo in making a decision. Pwedeng itong taong to ay magbibigay ng advice sa'yo kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Maaring ikaw rin to na mas magiging maingat, careful. And this is also about being powerful. So you have the opportunity to be in control of your life, of your situation. Minsan kasi, no, kapag nasa atin yung control na magdesisyon, medyo nakakatakot na, no? Kasi wala tayong ibang sisisihin kundi sarili natin pag hindi yun nag-work, 'di ba? Unlike merong ibang in control, tapos kapag mali yung desisyon niya, madali lang nating sisihin yung taong yun kasi desisyon niya yun. So, this is about you na pagkakaroon ng tiwala sa sarili mo sa mga desisyon na kakaharapin mo. What is the King of Swords? Daughter of Swords. Oo, talagang very curious and who wants to learn more. Yung owl, it symbolizes knowledge. So, kung sabi nga, kung walang knowledge, walang power. Knowledge is power, 'di ba? So, kung sa tingin mo enough na yung kaalaman mo, bakit ka matatakot? 'Di ba? Na mag-decide, bakit ka matatakot na sumubok? Three of Cups, o maaring ang merong friend or someone na tutulong sa'yo, magbibigay sa'yo ng advice, para ma-realize mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo nakikita sa ngayon. Okay? So, your blessing is the Nine of Cups, which is wish fulfillment. So, merong matutupad na wish ngayong June para sa'yo. This is about happiness, being more optimistic. So, I think whatever this is na pagdidesisyonan mo, after careful study, pag-aaral, no, pag-reassess, you will come up with the best decision na kung saan doon mo masasabi na, uy, buti na lang pala, no? Oo. Na nakapili ka. This will bring you contentment. This will bring you fulfillment and happiness. So, sa iyong money, career, finances, you have the Queen of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Seven of Wands. So, when it comes to your finances, no, medyo magiging maingat ka sa pagpapahiram ng pera or paglabas ng pera, paggastos, no? Talagang magiging talagang magsusulat ka, isusulat mo yung mga kailangan mo lang and you will stick to your plan. Okay? Kasi doon ka makakapag-ipon. Ngayong June. Doon mo mas mamamanage yung finances mo. Pagdating naman sa trabaho, kung meron kang boss na sa tingin mo is medyo binubuli ka, wag ka matakot na ipagtanggol yung sarili mo, because I feel like there is someone who's going to stand up for you. Pwedeng ibang kaibigan mo, katrabaho mo, or just you yourself, no? Para you have to set your boundaries para hindi ka ma-take advantage ng iba. And meron ding ditong success for you kung ikaw ay willing to wait. Handa kang maghintay ng opportunity na yan na darating sa'yo. So, sa love life naman, you have the Three of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles. I think meron kang maayos na issue or problema sa isang tao na pwedeng ang naging dahilan ninyo trabaho, naging problema niyo trabaho or pera. I think mas bibigyan mo ng attention ngayon yung mga mahal sa buhay mo. You will be able to give them what they need to provide for their needs. Dahil yung iba sa inyo, breadwinner. Kayo yung talagang nagtataguyod for the family. Some of you naman, pwedeng merong makikipag-ayos or parang anong tawag doon? Compromise, no, sa'yo, sa relationship. Na you will come up with an agreement na okay, para maiwasan natin tong problema na to, ganito yung gagawin natin. Well, let's see ano pa. Praying mantis, meditation. So this is also a very important sa iyo in terms of calming your mind, 'di ba? Meditation, it releases yung mga cloudiness ng isip natin na minsan masyadong magulo. So you will try to do some meditation that will help you clear your mind. You also have snake. Ang snake, this also symbolizes transformation, no? Major change kasi transformation, 'di ba, nagpapalit ng balat yung snake. Ayan. And this is also about healing. So kung ikaw ay nagka-experience ng issues with your health, sa kalusugan mo, so ngayong June, you will focus more on healthy living, okay? Para mas ma-heal mo yung sarili mo, yung body mo in a natural way. You also have desert. So for itong desert na to is about adaptation, being more resilient, no? Kapag may mga challenges, yung tipong kaya mong sumabay sa agos ng buhay kasi you're very flexible. So kung ano man tong kakaharapin mo na challenge, you have the power or the strength to overcome whatever that is. Okay? Let's see, ano pa? Pisces. For the month of June. Diba? This is about energy ng praying mantis is clearing your mind. You are the master of your inner world and you decide how the outer world affects you. Cultivate a calm inner state. Yes. Hindi mo na hayaan na maapektuhan ka ng gulo sa paligid mo. Yan. You will take action. Baby steps to. Baby steps are still steps and they're better than standing still. Importante na you are one step closer to your goal. Ano man yung goal mo, kung gusto mong magbawas ng timbang, so as long as you are doing something about it, maliit man na bagay yan, pag pinagsama-sama yan, consistent ka, malaki rin ang magiging impact niyan sa resulta na gusto mo. Happiness. Your thinking will either make your happiness or take your happiness. You choose. Yes, this is something to do with your mindset, no? Na halimbawa, kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, nasa sayo kung magiging masaya ka dyan o you will feel miserable kasi you are comparing yourself na, ay, mas malaki yung sa kanya or mas maganda yung sa kanya. Sa akin, ito lang. But the thing is, meron ka nun. 'Di ba? So, aalisin mo ba yung happiness na yan sa'yo? Dahil you will compare yourself to others at iisipin mo kung ano yung wala sa'yo. Or, you will choose to be happy dahil grateful ka sa blessings na meron ka. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!